This week has been a Still Austin week for me, so why not make a Still Austin Old Fashioned? Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and today we're going to do a Still Austin Old Fashioned. This could be a pretty quick video because I'm going to do a nice, simple one. The reason I'm going to do a simple one is because I have this bottle. Still Austin Rye Distillery Series. You can only pick this up at the distillery. Well, let me correct that. It was online for a few minutes to buy, sold out within 3 to 4 minutes, and then you had to pick up at the distillery. So I have this bottle. I did a review on it this week, and if you have not seen that, I will leave a link to it right here. But I like the evolution of this bottle. I like the orange and the creaminess and that kind of orange creamsicle to it. So I want to highlight that. So we're going to do an old fashioned that highlights that little orange flavor that I was enjoying through that whole taste. As I kept tasting, that orange just kept sticking to my tongue and it kept coming back to me. So let's make an old fashioned. We're going to make a Still Austin straight rye old fashioned. Let's get into it. Ingredients for a Still Austin straight rye old fashioned. Well, Still Austin straight rye old fashioned, and we're using the Distillery Series release. Can't have an old fashioned without some bitters. So we're going to do orange bitters to highlight that orange that I was enjoying, and some simple demerara simple syrup to round it off. Let's get started. Let's start making that drink. If you're going to make a Still Austin drink, might as well make it in a Still Austin glass. They have these pretty glasses for sale there. One time when I went there, I don't even think they have them anymore. I haven't seen them in a while. But we're going to use that today. We're going to start off with some orange bitters. I want some good orange bitters in here. So let's get 3 dashes or 2 to 3 good dashes of orange bitters. Put that in there. I want to highlight that orange that I kept tasting, that I kept enjoying. Next, we're going to add some demerara simple syrup. Now, I don't want to over highlight this, and I don't want to make it so that it's so sweet you don't taste the whiskey. I want the whiskey to be big on this one. So I'm going to do about 1/4 ounce of this. Now, if you want your sweeter, add a little bit more. I think 1/4 ounce, it's a 101 simple syrup. It's not a concentrate, and I think that's a good start for this. And we'll put this over here to the side as well. Now, time for the big boy, right? Before I add that big boy in there, what I like to do, I always like to add the ice first so that I can pour this over that ice. And so let me get an ice here. Oh yeah, look at that nice ice. It's been sitting there for a little while, so it kind of melted a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's pop this bottle open. Oh yeah. And let's give a full 2 ounces of this in here so I can enjoy it a lot, and put that in there. There you go. We're gonna put this on top here. Close that up. Make sure I didn't waste any. Get all those little drops in there. Yep. And we gotta stir this up. Let's get a gold one here and just stir this up a little bit. Now, normally I add an orange on top. I don't have any orange right now. I think that the orange oils would help bring out some of that orange flavor in there. But know what? I just had to make this at the last second, so it's my fault. But I do want to enjoy this. So I've been having Still Austin all week, and I didn't want to wait to make this drink. So here you go. The Still Austin Straight Rye Old Fashioned. Time to go in for that drink. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh. That hits so nicely. So nicely. That orange now it's just right there in the background, sitting on that tongue, enjoying it. You know what? That one other thing that you might be able to add to this, make this a little bit better, is a little bit of that vanilla and bring out more of that creamsicle flavor that I was tasting. So it's a good pour. That's a good drink. I'm really enjoying that. Gotta go in for another one real quick here. Yep. Liking that. So I had to pause for a second to do my pictures because I was going to keep drinking this and just finish this. Still Austin, if you can make this old fashioned, I suggest you do. If you ever go to the distillery, they actually have a frozen old fashioned that's amazing. So I recommend you try that. They're actually really good drinks there. I'm impressed with the drinks they have. The bartenders know what they're doing, and they make a good drink, and they make a hell of an old fashioned. But this one, yep, I'm really enjoying it. So let's go in for that last drink. Perfect way to end a week of Still Austin with a Still Austin Old Fashioned. Well, my friends, thank you for joining me on another journey down my old fashioned rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, cheers.